Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you this phenomenal Skoda Superb SEL Executive. Now this vehicle has currently done 47,933 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour quartz grey, and if you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have bi-xenon headlights which really light up the road well, give you great visibility at night. You do have fog lamps as well, which are great for when the visibility is poor. Now here around to the side, it does sit very nicely on the 18-inch alloy wheels. You do have your indicator integrated into the door mirror. You also have a very nice rear privacy glass, giving you nice privacy to the rear and giving the vehicle a more sleek look. Now here at the rear, you do have very nice black leather seats, nice textured in the centre. The right ISOFIX point, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. You also have your armrest there in the centre, and you do have air vents as well, so rear passengers can benefit from the air conditioning and travel comfortably in the vehicle as well. You've got heaps of leg room back there. And now to the rear of the vehicle, and this Skoda comes equipped with a power tailgate that can be opened using the key fob. You simply hold the button on the key fob and it pops open the tailgate, providing you access to the boot very easily. You can see it open here, and it reveals plenty of storage space. You can easily fit a set of golf clubs in there or multiple suitcases. It's extremely practical and nice and long, but also deep as well. There are tethering points as well, so you can tie any loads down if you don't want anything to move around freely. You have a button there that automatically closes the tailgate, very handy when unloading the vehicle and your hands are full. You don't have to struggle to lift up to close it. Taking a look inside here at the front, you have your leather multifunction steering wheel. You have very nice gloss black finish across the centre console. You have your front seats here, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You have your electric adjustment, and you also have memory settings with 3 options. This is extremely handy if you have additional drivers. You can make adjustments very easily and always revert back to your preferred driving position. If it's ever changed, you have to struggle to re-find it again. And you can be sure you will be comfortable behind the wheel. Another great feature you have with this vehicle, you have your umbrella hidden away here in the door. Extremely handy during those wet conditions. And it's almost Rolls-Royce-esque. And now that we've had a look around the vehicle, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Skoda has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door here, you have your electric mirror adjustments that include heating and folding. With the folding, you can quickly fold the mirrors in. It's very handy when parking on narrow roads, for example, as you can keep them protected and prevent them from being knocked off by other road users as they fold in nice and tightly into the vehicle. You have automatic headlights, so when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You have your wiper stalk there, and you have some controls here for your digital display that is displayed here in between the dials and the instrument cluster. You can access your assist systems with your front assist, which can detect potential hazards ahead and emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. You can also access additional menus as well, including your navigation with a compass there. You also have your audio, telephone, vehicle information, and your driving data, which has a digital speedometer. You can also access your miles to the gallon as well, and things like that. Now behind here you have your cruise control. It does have adaptive cruise control. It's ideal for those longer journeys. It means you have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, and it allows you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. With the adaptive feature, the vehicle will automatically slow down and keep the specific distance you set if a vehicle pulls in front of you in the lane. And once the vehicle moves over, for example, the vehicle will speed back up automatically to the speed you had originally set. Now here in the centre you have your touchscreen infotainment system, and you can access your radio with DAB, FM and AM. With DAB, you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clearly. You can also connect your own source of audio. You do have your USB and auxiliary input, and there's also SD and CD as well. You also have your Bluetooth as well, and with your Bluetooth you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls. You do have your voice control as well, so you can set navigation, change radio stations or call people. just using your voice. You don't have to mess around touching the infotainment screen. It's great if you want to keep focused on the road. You do have your navigation as well, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. You can change the view of the guidance here. You have a nice 3D effect as well. You can be sure you're never lost. And it's very easy to follow guidance. You have your traffic reports as well, which will alert you of any traffic on the roads surrounding your area. So you can be aware of if you're going to bump into any delays. So you can find alternative routes, for example. You can access vehicle information here. You have a green score, which will tell you on how fuel efficient you're driving. You have your convenience consumers. You can also access your menu here. You do have your smart link with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which brings your phone's interface into the vehicle and allows you to safely make hands-free phone calls and text using voice command. You can also use compatible apps as well, such as navigation and music streaming services, so you can access all of your favourite playlists you've made from your phone. You do have your dual zone climate control here that allows the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices, prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold, allowing everyone in the vehicle to travel comfortably at their own preferred temperature. You can select the direction of airflow up top there, and you also have your buttons for your heated seats. You do have 3 different temperature options for those, so you can keep nice and warm and show you the perfect temperature and completely forget all about the cold outside. You have your park pilot here with your front and rear parking sensors, giving you added confidence when parking. Makes you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle, of things you may not be able to see. And here, next to your automatic gear selector, you have your driving mode selection with your Eco, Normal, Sport and Individual. These change how the vehicle will perform and handle depending on your driving mood, so you can enhance your driving experience. And with your Individual, you can set up your own preferences to this with your steering drive, along with things like your active cruise control, your dynamic cornering lights as well. You have your button there for turning off your parking sensors. And you have your electronic handbrake there as well. Thanks for watching this video on the Skoda Superb SEL Executive. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.